So tables are basically great for organizing data, and it looks really good and organized and very easy to navigate through the data on the HTML page. So for creating a table, we first going to start with the table tag. So table will have basically two parts. One is the table head and another one is the table body. So the table head will be known as T head, and the table body will have T body. We can add another thing on the table which is known as caption, which will add the caption for the table. Okay, so today we are gonna see or make a table of the list of employees. So let's add the caption known as list of employees. So in the table head we are going to add a column. So how are you gonna add the column? We're gonna first add a row. The row is written as TR in HTML. In the table head, a table row will have different table columns. In HTML, we are going to describe them as table data or table header. In the header, it will call TH as table header, and in the body, it will be called TD as table data. So in a single row, we will have multiple table data. TH. Let's first add the data for name. Then add a field for position. Then we're gonna add a field for department. Now let's add another field for contact. Okay, so this is the table head. Now let's add the table body. Now in the table body we will have multiple rows as well, and these multiple rows will have multiple data as well. So first we create one row for one employee. So these are the 4 table header fields, though we can add maximum 4 table data fields as well. So let's first start with the name. So let's name him John Doe. Now let's add the position of John Doe as project manager. The department for the project manager is management, and the contact of John Doe is John Doe at email.com. Okay, so that is one row, and that is one row as well. So now let's see how does it look on our website. See, this is the table, this is the caption, list of employees, this is all the header, and these are all the data. John Doe, which is a project management in the management department, and the contact is John Doe at email.com. So let's add another table row as well as TR. Now let's add first field at Emily Johnson, which is an UX designer. Which department is design, we'll name it design, and the contact for Emily Johnson is Emily at email.com. So this is basically the whole table. The name for John Doe and for Emily Johnson. We can also add different styling. Just let's add some simple border for now. Border 1. So see, this is added. This has added the border, and this is basically the table. Now you can add hundreds and thousands of fields for one table, and you can add many types of styling for the table, and see through the columns and spans as well. But we are going to look through them and go deeper in the next chapter. So for now, this is all for the tables.